Hi everyone, welcome back to App Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your DP on your Discord account. So if you want to change your profile picture, this is what you need to do. First of all, head over to your Discord app by tapping on the app icon. As soon as you land on your app, on the lower right section, you will see a profile icon. Tap on the profile icon. When you tap on the profile icon, you will be directed towards your profile, and on the top left corner, you can see your profile itself. When you tap on the profile icon now, you will be able to see that you have now been directed towards your photo gallery. So simply go to a particular picture that you want to set up as your profile picture. Here, I want to use this as my profile picture. Choose the area that you want to keep as profile picture, and then tap on choose on the lower right side. After doing so, you can see that your profile picture has now been changed. So this is how you change your Discord profile picture. I hope this video has been useful to you. If you liked the video and if this video helped you to change your profile picture on Discord, make sure you let us know in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.